welcome to Xploring Monk, where we delve into the enchanting world of Alsace wine region. Today, we embark on an immersive journey, tasting the exquisite wines of Alsace, a region celebrated for its diverse wine varieties and stunning landscapes. Alsace, a region known for its predominantly dry white wines, offers a wide array of wine varieties. From bold, acidic still wines to fragrant dessert wines and elegant sparkling wines, Alsace is a paradise for wine lovers. Nearly half of the region's wineries have embraced organic and world-friendly production methods, adding an eco-conscious touch to their wines. Our journey takes us along the legendary Alsace wine route. We'll visit towns like Ricovier and Ribeauville, each steeped in history and adorned with floral decorations. These villages, with their half-timbered houses and ancient castles, are more than just picturesque. They're a testament to Alsace's deep-rooted wine culture. Alsace offers a multitude of wine experiences, from intimate cellar tastings at a family-owned Domaine François Schwach to the festive Christmas celebrations at Maison Zaysolf. Each experience is unique. For those seeking an active adventure, imagine cycling through breathtaking vineyards, or hiking amidst the scenic beauty, all while exploring the region's wine offerings. The heart of Alsace's charm lies in its wineries, each with its own story and unique wines. Let's delve deeper into some notable wineries, offering a blend of tradition, innovation, and exceptional flavors. Our first visit takes us to Domaine Josmeyer, an enchanting vineyard led by the talented sisters, Céline and Isabelle. As we stroll through their organic and biodynamic fields, the vineyard's commitment to sustainable winemaking becomes apparent. Here, art and wine merge seamlessly, creating an atmosphere where each sip reflects the sisters' dedication to both their craft and the environment. Tasting Josmeyer's wines is like exploring a gallery of flavors, each bottle a masterpiece shaped by the land and the hands that nurture it. Next, we venture to Domaine Zind-Humbrecht, a family-run winery where innovation meets tradition. Olivier Humbrecht, a master of biodynamic winemaking, greets us with a warm smile. The panoramic views from the tasting room are breathtaking, framing the vineyards against a backdrop of the Vosges Mountains. Tasting Zind-Humbrecht's range, from entry-level to Grand Cru wines, is an exploration of Alsace's diverse terroir. Olivier's passion for the environment and deep understanding of the region's climate make this experience both educational and delightful. Our final stop for the day is in the quaint village of Niedermoschwehr, home to Albert Boxler Winery. This renowned name in the US wine scene offers an intimate glimpse into one of the region's most respected producers. Despite their fame, the Boxler family maintains a humble and welcoming atmosphere, inviting us into their world of winemaking. Tasting through Boxler's Rieslings and Gewürztraminers, we're treated to a spectrum of flavors, from vibrant and fresh to complex and aged. The highlight is their special collection of aged bottles, a rare opportunity to taste the history and evolution of Alsace wines. Our journey through these wineries isn't just about tasting wine, it's about connecting with the people behind the labels, understanding their philosophies, and experiencing the beauty of Alsace's winemaking tradition. Each visit leaves us with a deeper appreciation for the region's wines and the stories they hold. As we conclude our winery visits, we're reminded that each glass of Alsace wine is a reflection of the land, the climate, and most importantly, the passionate individuals who dedicate their lives to crafting these exquisite wines. Cheers to Alsace, a region that truly captivates the heart and palate. In Alsace, wine is more than a beverage, it's a way of life. Strasbourg, the region's vibrant capital, is a blend of cultural activities and wine experiences. Meanwhile, Colmar, known as Little Venice, offers a romantic getaway with its canals and wine heritage. These cities exemplify how wine is integrated into every aspect of Alsatian culture. Our journey through Alsace's wine region has been a tapestry of flavors, stories, and stunning scenery. From traditional wineries to innovative wine experiences, Alsace is a region that truly caters to every palate. Thank you for joining Xploring Monk on this exquisite wine adventure. Until next time, keep Keep exploring and savoring the world's flavors. Au revoir.